Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use a public bike pump. First, identify the correct pump head for your bike's valve, whether it's Presta or Schrader. Then, carefully remove the small cap from your tire valve stem. Finally, firmly press the pump head onto the valve, ensuring a tight seal to prevent air from escaping. You're now ready to add air. Before you start pumping, find your bike's recommended tire pressure, usually printed on the tire's sidewall. This number is crucial for safe and efficient riding. As you pump, keep an eye on the pressure gauge, which will show you the current air level. Continue pumping steadily until you reach the recommended pressure for your specific tire. Don't overinflate. Once your tire is properly inflated, it's time to remove the pump. Quickly and firmly pull the pump head straight off the valve to minimize air loss. Don't forget to replace the valve cap. It helps keep dirt and moisture out of your valve stem. Finally, make sure to leave the public pump in a neat and organized way for the next person to use. Good job! To keep your ride smooth and safe, make it a habit to check your tire pressure regularly, perhaps once a week. Also, always give the public pump a quick visual inspection before and after you use it, just to ensure everything is in good working order. And hey, if you're looking to freshen up your car, check out the link in the description for little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Happy riding and thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.